With the SociCake white label upgrade, you can upload your own custom logo and colors. Use your very own custom domain. Use a ready-made website for you to sell the SociCake traffic bundle under your brand. Use our ready-made email swipes included. You even get your very own animated sales video. Plus done for you Facebook ads. Full PayPal integration and automated login delivery. Yeah, this option is for go-getters, for achievers wanting to really start this year strong and with momentum. Pay dollars. We paid thousands of dollars to develop this option and the capabilities to make this possible for you. Full-blown 100%. I'm talking about a full-blown 100% white label option for the SociCake traffic bundle. Full customization. Literally putting your name, your brand, your logo and more on our software and sell it as yours. Only your brand, your name on your website and the software. You choose your brand, colors and logo. Your own boss. You'll be owning your own full-blown software solution with your full branding. Just imagine having your own proven, beautifully designed and from scratch developed enterprise software available to sell access to under your name and brand, and when you make a sale, you keep all the money. No expensive fees for programmers. Number 2 years waiting to get a software done. No managing developers. No headaches or overhead. No server cost. White label fax. Can I rebrand SociCake as my own? Yes, we encourage you to do that. You can put your own logo, your own training, and your own support link and sell SociCake as your own. What price points can I sell at? At any point of time the price should be equal to or higher than $30. You can't sell it at a price lower than that. What is the earliest I can start selling? The earliest you can start selling is on February 8, 2019. That's also when your white label dashboard will be activated. Can I refund my fee and auto purchases after purchasing white label? No, absolutely not. To be eligible to hold a white label license, you should be a current user of the Atlas. The fee only after purchasing that you are eligible to purchase the white label offer. What marketing materials do I get with this? You get the sales page, sales videos, as well as the other assets for marketing. We do recommend that you edit these to ensure they are branded to you. How many clients can I sell this to? As many as your license permits and you can stack. You are not allowed to launch this on Jitsu or ClickBank or any other marketplace. However, you are allowed to run FB ads or drive email traffic to your sales pages. What will my client get through this access? Your client will get the free version of SociCake. If you have access to the Pro, they will also have access to it. Can I give away a license or offer it as a bonus? No, you can't give it away or offer it as a bonus. You only have rights to sell